Hi, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Ultimate Middle East Family Investment Office database. To be clear, this is the who's who of Middle East family investment capital. So the Ultimate Institutional Investor Database, this video highlights a rare and unique database of institutional grade investor contacts in the Middle East. And this has been compiled using 2 institutional grade databases and recently updated. It has never been offered before. Key database components. This database has 430 firms, 1,027 key contacts, 497 key contact emails, and key description of firms, websites, company emails, and more. So why this database is unique? Well, it gives you ultra rare access to Middle East capital, verified database of family investment offices across the GCC and MENA, offering one of the few credible sources of direct investor intelligence in this highly private market. Now, a lot of people who contact me looking for Middle East family office databases, there's very few credible ones on the market, and I was fortunate enough to combine 2 institutional grade databases that I have access to create this one resource. I've not been able to find a resource like this in the last 5 years, so this is going to be something you're going to really enjoy. I'm going to show you the spreadsheet coming up. Now, this gives you institutional grade investor insights, includes firm background, assets under management, sector focus, investment strategy, and verified contact details, data not available in public sources. You can't scrape the web for this type of database. It's impossible. So this is built for serious fundraisers and advisors. You can identify aligned investors, save months of research, and connect directly with active family offices for private equity and real estate opportunities. So what type of assets to present to Middle East family offices? Start off with real assets and income producing real estate work well, anything from about $5 million to $100 million, prime hospitality, logistics, mixed use developments, or stabilized income properties offering long-term yield, inflation hedging, and tangible asset value. Secondly, private equity and growth capital opportunities. These could be between $3 million to $50 million. That could be established mid-market or late-stage ventures in sectors such as energy transition, healthcare, technology, and manufacturing, with clear exit visibility and strong governance. And third, alternative and strategic assets. These could range anywhere from $10 million to $200 million. Direct co-investments in infrastructure, natural resources, and sustainable ventures. For example, hydrogen, renewables, data centers, aligning with family legacy and national diversification goals. So let's take a look at the database. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Excel spreadsheet. We're going to take a look at 2 sheets, the Middle East family investment offices first, and you can see here you've got firms, you've got 430. You're going to also see columns for background. You're going to get a bit of a description, so you're going to be able to do some filtering there. You're going to get firm type, whether it's a single or multi-family. You're going to get the country as well. I've got a little bit of a breakdown here. So out of 430 firms, you've got 196 from UAE, 105 from Saudi, 25 from Kuwait, 17 from Qatar, 18 from Bahrain, and 29 from Israel, and the others make up smaller numbers. So you're also being able to look at websites. You get about 380 websites, 332 company emails, and you've got telephone numbers for most of these. And if we scroll over further to the right, you're getting a little bit more information on the asset classes. One of the interesting things for this particular database is there are a lot of private equity and real estate investments that they are going to be getting involved in. So this is the greatest database when it comes to identifying those family offices that are really hard to find. And then let's take a look at the contacts. So in the contacts, again, we've got individual companies, 371 on this sheet. We've got 1,027 names. We've got their role, so whether they're with the investment team or with the board of directors or operations. And you're also going to get their job title, so that's going to help you as well identify who you want to reach out to. Asset class, we've got a lot of real estate in here. We've got private equity in here as well. For emails, there's 497 emails. Now on this particular page, for example, if you were to just take a name punch it into LinkedIn, you're going to get about a 98% hit. I've done this for about 30 of them. Because this is an updated list, you're going to find most of these executives are going to be on LinkedIn, so that's going to make your job a lot easier as well. And if we scroll over to the right, you're going to see you're going to get their telephone and, again, the country. So this acts as a very valuable resource if you're looking to reach out to family investment offices in the Middle East in 2025 and beyond. Are you looking for global funds and contacts? My verified database includes 24,000 global funds from 2022 to 2025 and 400,000 fundraising executives with 277,000 emails. Coverage across all regions, asset classes, and strategies. It's the most complete global capital access tool available. For more information, contact DubaiInvestorsList.com. That's DubaiInvestorsList.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.